Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Max online class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Okay. So in last class we completed exercise 1C Nana. Okay, did you write the classwork neatly children? Okay ma. Now see, today I am going to explain exercise 2D. So before going to that exercise, once again we revise what we learned in the previous class. Exercise 2C, number minus 0. We get the same number, isn't it? So if we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number only. And 2,48,543 minus 8,000. Like the subtractions yesterday we learned. See here 8,000 is there, Nana. In thousands place 8 is there. 8,000 minus 8,000 is 0,000. Remaining all the digits are same. So 2,40,000. Okay? 2,40,000. So if you subtract 8,000 from 48,000, then we get the 40,000. So 2,40,000, sorry 543. 543. Remaining digits asterisk will write. Okay ma? And next, what we learned? And keywords. Keywords for the subtraction. Can you say the keywords for subtraction children? Did you learn yesterday ma? See once again, change. Change, decreased by, difference, fewer, have left, take away. Take away is the keyword for subtraction. How many did not have? How many more? How much more? Less than, remain, taller or shorter. These are the keywords for subtraction. My dear children, you have to learn the keywords for addition and subtraction. Then it becomes very easy to solve the word problem. Okay ma? And how to frame the word problem? How to frame the word problem? So first we have to think of what these numbers could relate in our daily life. After based on that, we only frame the word problem. Okay ma? So now coming to the exercise 2D. All of you open your Max CWs. Open your Max CW Nana. Get ready with your books. Yes. Write down exercise 2D. Exercise 2D. Come on, all of you open your classwork and write neatly. Exercise 2D. Okay? So exercise 2D, solve the following word problems. Note down, solve the following word problems. Write down all of you. So all of you write along with me ma. Solve the following word problems. Come on, keep this. Come on, see the first question. A. By how much is 69,107 greater than 25,658. 25,000, you can't see this, so I'll write here. Greater than 25,658. This is the question Nana. All of you write in your classwork neatly. By how much is 69,107 greater than 25,658. Okay ma? Now see, look at the board Nana. In these two numbers, this is greater. How much is greater? Yes, how do we get that answer? By doing subtraction. Okay ma? So note down the number 69,107 minus 25,658. Do the subtraction ma. 8 is greater than 7. So we can't subtract directly. So that you take borrow from tens place. Here 0 is there in the tens. So that you go to the hundreds place and take borrow. This number become 10. This is 0. Again from this number you take borrow. So 7 becomes 17. This 10 become 9, 0. Okay ma? Now 8 to 17. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Totally 9. 5 to 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 6 is greater than 0. So we can't subtract directly. So that you take borrow from the thousands place. 0 become 10 and 9 before is 8. Now 6 to 10. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 4. 5 to 8. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 3. 2 to 6. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. So 43,449. How much is 69,107 greater? Yes, 69,107 is greater than 25,658 by 43,449. Okay ma, is it clear? By how much is greater this number? How do you get this answer? You subtract this number from big number, then we can get the answer. Come on, note down this children. So in the statement we write 69,107 greater than 25,658 by 43,449. Okay ma? Note down in your classwork all of you. Next. Just pause the video and note down. Next you go to the next problem. Okay ma? Can I rub this one children? Okay. See the second one. John had, write along with me children. Write in your classwork. John had 8,47,950 in his bank account. In his bank account. Okay. He spent 5,82,160 out of it. How much money? How much money is left in his bank account? In his bank account. This is the problem, Nana. Note down in your classwork. Now you read the question, Nana. John had 8,47,950 rupees in his bank account. Amount of money John had, how much? 8,47,950 rupees. He spent, how much money spent? 5,82,160 rupees he spent. Then how much money is left in his bank account? Okay. So left means what we do? These are the important points. So first you read the problem, try to understand the problem and underline that important points, and just you see the keyword left. Left is the keyword for subtraction. Come on, frame the steps. Money money John had in his account. So we'll write amount of money. So okay, write down money John had in his account and money spent by him. Second step, money spent by him. So first one, 8,47,950 and spent 5,82,160 rupees. Okay, ma? Now, how much money is left in his bank account? So, money left in his account. So, left means we do subtraction, keep minus symbol. So, money John had in his account, money spent by him, money left in his account. Come on, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 6 is not possible. Take borrow, 15. 9 before 8. 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 8 not possible. Take borrow, 14. 8 before 7. 8 to 14, 6. 5 to 7, 2. So total in his account now 2,65,790 rupees. Okay, money left in his account equal to 2,65,790 rupees. Okay, how much money John had in his account? Yes, 8,47,950. So money spent by him equal to 5,82,160. So money left in his account equal to 2,65,790. Yes, note down in your classwork. Okay. Can I rub this one, Nana? Pause the video and write. Shall we go to the next problem? Okay, ma. So next question. See, write along with me. A factory. Note down in your classwork, all of you. A factory manufactured 7,45,000 cars in a year. In 1 year, Nana. In 1 year. Okay? In 1 year, out of these 2,79,840 cars were white in color. White in color. White in color. How many cars? How? Are you writing, children? How many cars were not white in color? So a factory manufactured, again I read the question, Nana. A factory manufactured 7,45,000 cars in 1 year. How many cars manufactured? In 1 year, yes, 7,45,000 cars. Okay, out of these, number of cars were white in color. So, 2,79,840 cars are white color. Okay, ma? Now, how many cars were not white in color? Not white in color. Now, we have to find how many were not. How many not white in color? How many not means? This is subtraction. Keyword for subtraction. Okay, ma? So, first step, write down number of cars manufactured in 1 year. So, write down number, you keep like this, Nana. Number of cars manufactured by a factory. 7,45,000. Okay, 7,45,000 cars manufactured by a factory. Out of these, number of white cars. Number of white cars. How many white cars? 2,79,840. Okay, now we have to find number of cars not white in color. Here number of white color cars will write. Here number of cars not white in color. Okay, ma? So keep minus. So first step, number of cars manufactured by a factory. Second step, out of these, number of white cars equal to, white color cars equal to 2,29,840. So number of cars not white in color. Okay, not white in color, we only find it. So do the subtraction, children. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 4 not possible. Take borrow 10 and this 0 become 9. 5 before 4. 10 to 4 6. 8 to 9 1. 9 to 4 this is borrow. So 9 to 14 5. 13 and 7 before 6. 7 to 13 6. 2 to 6 4. So 4,65,160. Okay, ma? So not white color cars. How many? 4,65,160. Okay? So note down in your classwork, Nana. Write down number of cars manufactured by a factory. Out of this, number of white cars, number of cars not white in color equal to. Okay. Next. Okay, ma? Shall we go to the next problem? Okay. So if you can't write in time, just pause the video and write neatly, ma. Okay. Next to D problem. So D, ma. There were 2,50,810 trees in an orchard. One lakh 63,490 trees. 1,63,490 trees were cut down. How many trees were left in an orchard? How many trees were left in the orchard? Seema, there were 2,50,810 trees in an orchard. How many trees are there in an orchard? Orchard means it's a number of trees in one place, Nana. Okay. So, more number of trees in one place, that is called orchard. That is Palla Thoda. Okay. 2,50,800 trees in an orchard. 1,63,490 trees cut down. Some trees are cut down, Nana. So, those trees are 1,63,490. How many trees were left in the orchard? Now, we have to find the remaining trees. Remaining trees in the orchard. Okay, ma? So, totally how many trees are there in first? Yes, 2,50,810 trees. So, first step, write down children in your classwork. Number of trees in an orchard. Next, 2,50,810. Number of trees in an orchard equal to 2,50,810. So, how many trees were cut down, Nana? Yes, number of trees cut down. How many trees cut down? 1,63,490. Okay, are you writing, children? Okay, next, now we have to find the remaining trees. That means number of trees left in the orchard. Do minus. Okay, ma? Number of trees in an orchard equal to 2,50,810. Number of trees cut down 1,63,490. Number of trees left in the orchard. Left means we do subtraction. Minus. Come on, do. 0 minus 0. 0. 1 minus 9 not possible. So, take borrow. 11. 8 before 7. Now, 9 to 11. 9 after 10. 11. 2. 4 to 7. 4 after 5. 6. 7. 3. So, 3 is greater than 0. So, take borrow 10 and 5 before 4. 3 to 10 is 7. 6 is greater than 4. So, take borrow 1. 6 to 14, 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 87,320 trees were left in the orchard. Okay, ma? How many trees left in the orchard? 87,320. Okay, is it clear to you, children? So, how to write the first step? Number of trees and an orchard. Number of trees cut down. Number of trees left in the orchard. Okay, ma? Yes, note down in your classwork, ma. Neatly. Okay. Shall we go to the next problem? Okay, write down. Next question. E. Can I rub this one? Write down E problem. A total of 9,56,930 people visited London in a year. Out of these 6,95,710 were Indians. How many people were not Indians? So this is the problem, Nana. Note down in your classwork neatly. A total of 9,56,930 people visited in London. So total number of people visited London equal to 9,56,930 in a year. So out of these, how many Indians are there? Yes, 6,95,710 are Indians. Now we have to find number of people not Indians. Okay. First step, write down total number of people. Write down total number of people visited London 1 year. Okay. So 9,56,930. So out of these, number of Indians, number of Indians 6,95,710. Now we find out the number of people not Indians. Number of people were not Indians. Yes, do minus, Nana. 0, 3 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 7, 2, 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 9 not possible. Small number, so take borrow. 15, 9 before 8. 15 minus 9, 6, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6 Nana. 6 after 7, 8, 2. 7, 8, 2. So, number of people are not Indians. Not Indians, how many? 2,61,220. Okay, ma? How many Indians are there? 6,95,710. How many are not Indians? 2,61,220. Let's note down in your classwork, ma. Okay, ma. So I hope you understand the today's class exercise 2D word problems, Nana. So my dear children, I sent the notes for the first chapter only, Nana. From second chapter onwards, you have to watch the video and continue on the classwork, isn't it? I hope you all are doing same. Continue the classwork. Okay. So exercise 2D. Now in exercise 2D, first Roman is completed. The second Roman is there, Nana. Tomorrow we will continue the second Roman. Okay. So my dear children, practice these word problems in rough notes, ma. Okay, ma. Bye children. Take care of yourself.